Hey there fellow content creators and enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of stable diffusion and uncovering the top 5 mistakes you should steer clear when using this powerful tool. If you're ready to take your creations to the next level, then keep watching because we have got some great game-changing tips coming your way. So before we jump into the juicy details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you never miss out on the content. So before we start the video, let's talk about Diffusion Hub. So what Diffusion Hub really is, it is a platform where you can run stable diffusion by renting out GPUs such as A100 and even T4 Teslas, where they have a lot of high VRAM and you get your output really fast. They have also recently launched a new instance called Koya SS, where you can train your own models and create your own LoRa's and checkpoint models, and it's really amazing. So make sure to check out Diffusion Hub if you want to run stable diffusion, and let's get started with the video. Alright, mistake number 1, and it's a biggie. Avoid manually writing negative prompts. It's time to embrace the magic of textual inversions. So what are textual inversions? It's like giving your AI a whole new palette of ideas to work with. For example, you might have seen generated images whose negative prompt contain the tag easy negative. So that's an artificial concept trained on bunch of images someone thought of poor quality. So that is what textual inversions are. So if you want to use textual embeddings inside Diffusion Hub, I have a really simple method for you. Go inside the model downloader and select your textual embedding over here. Then go to Civet AI, find your embeddings that you want to download. Just come over here, right click over it and just copy the link. Go back to Diffusion Hub, paste your link over there, and once you see it's the right embedding, just click on download. Now here, go at the bottom and click on reload UI. Now come back to your text to image tab over here. Click on this purple button. Select your embedding, which will automatically be sent to your negative prompt, and then just click on go and then see your results. Moving on to mistake number 2, so listen up. We all want high resolution results, but there's the thing, native big resolution can lead to some bizarre results. You're talking about 2 heads on one body or those with long body that does not make any sense. To avoid these mishaps, stick to smaller resolution initially, then using high-res fix, upscale your creations for better quality. It's all about finding that sweet spot between resolution and quality. Now let's tackle the third mistake. Trust me, this one's a big game changer. Gone are the days of creating images by one for testing. Say hello to XYZ Plot, your new best friend. With the XYZ Plot, you can explore different settings effortlessly. Want to try out multiple clothing colors or multiple variations? Let the plot do the heavy lifting for you and get the results in one go. Also with the XYZ Plot, you cannot just change your prompts, you can also change every single thing that you want to change for your settings. For example, do you want different LoRa's with the same prompt? You can do that. Do you want different checkpoints with the same prompt? You can still do that. You can change your CGF scale, you can change your seed number, you can literally do every single thing with your XYZ Plot. You don't have to manually run your prompts every single time to see what it generates. You can just do it with one click. This is why XYZ Plot is really important when you're testing out and when you're exploring stable diffusion. Alright, mistake number 4. It's a trap that you definitely want to avoid. Now imagine this scenario. You're using stable diffusion on Google Colab or RunPod, where you have rented your GPUs. Now imagine that you have left that tab open for hours and hours. You're just wasting your credits. But fear not, Diffusion Hub has your back. If you're AFK for a while, it will safeguard your credits and ensure you're not caught off guard. It's efficiency for the win. And now the 5th and the final mistake. Trust me, you won't want to miss out this one. The classic collab dilemma. It takes ages to load. Don't even get me started on the constant model download. Plus your data and images, they are not always saved, right? But with Diffusion Hub, everything's already set for you. Models, extensions and more. It's seamless experience that will save you time and frustration, and it's not even that expensive. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 mistakes to avoid when using stable diffusion. Now that you're armed with these insights, go forth and create with confidence. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, your creative pals, and always stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and keep creating. Thank you for watching.